Yesterday, it was like a dark cloud around. For some reason, today seems to be brighter. As I mentioned in Shaklin movie, it was actually saying that tomorrow the bird will sing. It was true. We don't know what tomorrow brings, and if to really being compared from yesterday and now, the feeling is a lot different. Not really better, but things seem to be more brighter, smooth. New plan, new hope, new ideas coming in. Who knows what's happened tonight? Still a mystery. Just for right now, this moment, the exhibition was successful. Tomorrow is a new day. Start something new again. And even if it failed, it's okay to try again. It's okay to be depressed, disappointed, fail from time to times. But as long as they still breathe, maybe we should try more. This few days was very hard time, having a very hard time, very tiring, but there is no regret in it. We do something, have result, good effect. Will it solve the problem for now? No, but it helping better than just sitting down doing nothing. I watched the video I posted last night. It was really dark. It's not only about the quality, but it was a very dark video. But look at it, me now. Brightness, light is everywhere. Hope coming in again. I guess that's just life. Sometimes you feel up, sometimes you feel down. Well, I just want to show you guys that after the darkness, there will always be light. So look for the light. It will bring you hope, bring you new idea, bring you some bright idea, or maybe just help you continue the journey. I'll see you in the next video.